I'm looking for tips on how to fix chipping paint on MDF. Let me know what you think. Hey everyone, it's Mike and I'm learning to flip. Well, if the weather ever gets below 90 degrees, I figure I'll start flipping furniture again. So this will be my next project. It's actually one of the two side tables I have, or two bedside tables. They're both solid pieces, but they're mostly MDF and or pressed board. The only thing that I've seen so far that might be wood are the legs. So this is pretty much going to be a paint it, but I'd like to see if I can maybe strip the legs down and stain those so we maybe have a wood accent. The legs looks like on the bottom it's made of a few different pieces of wood, so I have no idea what the grain looks like underneath there. So I might try and chemical strip this and get this off and see if it's salvageable as far as being just raw wood. And we'll see how that works. For the rest of it, it's not in bad shape. There's a lot of paint chipping off. If you look on some of the fronts, paint chipping off of the MDF, so that'll have to be sanded down, and then I'm guessing the MDF may have to be sealed again, either with at least a primer, or I don't know if I'm going to have to use like a wood fill or something like that. So if you've ever worked with MDF with the paint already chipping off and you have any tips on how to basically seal it and paint it again, let me know. But this will be my next project. Any suggestions for colors? I'm not sure. I was thinking of maybe going with a gray, maybe slightly darker gray. If not, maybe again a beige color. I wouldn't mind trying something bolder, like maybe a darker blue or a darker green, but these are probably something I'm going to want to sell, so I want to keep them somewhat neutral. But we'll see where I go once I get it sanded down and see what it looks like. So stay tuned. Hopefully, again, if the temperature gets better, I'll be back sooner than later.